In this video, you will learn about how to stop loss in MetaTrader 4, when should you stop loss, and how to set stop loss.
A stop loss order is designed to protect your trade from losing too much money. It is an order that limits the amount of money any single trade can lose. These orders can range in size and levels. They can be placed a handful of pips away or thousands of pips away. This is all determined by you, the trader, and the strategy that you are using. Placing stop orders in MetaTrader is very simple. You first need to have a trade on. So, we're looking at the $Franc 15-minute chart here, and you can see it running up. So let's go ahead and buy this. We'll bring up an order ticket, we'll choose a volume size, and we'll put in a market order. Alright, looking in the terminal, you can see that we are now long 5 minis at a price of 1.0655. Now we want to limit how far this trade can go against us, so we'll put in a stop loss. Looking at the chart, we see that there is some consolidation here at 603. So we'll go ahead and put in our stop loss at this level. Right click on the order in the terminal window and scroll down to modify or delete order. On the left hand side you will see a stop loss column. Let's go ahead and give it that level, 603. We'll choose that level, we'll put it into the stop loss section. We'll see it show up in the modify button at the bottom, SL, the price that we're choosing. We'll go ahead and click that. We'll confirm the order, and you can now see there's a red line on the chart at that level. If this market stops moving up, starts to reverse, this trade will stay on until we reach this level that we chose, the 603 level. Once it hits that level, the trade will be closed and we will have accepted our loss on the trade. You can also put an order to the upside, take profit levels, so that if it reaches that order or that level, it will close that trade out at a profit. And that's called an OCO order. A one cancels the other order, which we will highlight in one of our other videos. But in conclusion, the stop loss will limit how far a trade can go against you, and we highly recommend that you use a stop loss on every trade that you place. It ensures that you continue to trade and that you don't blow your account out.